Are you seeing the MFC40 Unicode DLL error during execution? Your system packages might be corrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore your runtime stability. Ensure your MFC40 Unicode environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the MFC40 Unicode, the Microsoft Foundation class Unicode version 4.0 module, part of the Visual C++ 4.2 runtime. It provides localized unmanaged shims for 1990s era localized software using wide character string handling, wchar, mandatory for localized retro enterprise software compatibility. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Reinstalling Visual C++ 4.1 MFC Runtime Unicode will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and install them. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered MFC40 Unicode component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like MFC40 Unicode DLL. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to MFC40 Unicode. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for MFC40 Unicode, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.